Yo guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm doing some tests. Like you can see already, I mount my camera in a helmet in the chin. I wanna do some tests with a different kind of setting. So first one, now I'm doing 360 with the auto setting. So I want to do different than the other video already. I want to try something new, something like other YouTuber do, other motovlog do. I hope now video is not bad, because I just tried this one. I don't know how it's look. I hope later when I see it in a computer, it's not bad at all. Alright guys, this is the second setting. Still 360 and with manual setting. I don't know how it will look later, but look guys, the view, wow, it's very nice. I'm gonna try a few different kind of setting to see which setting that I can use for the future video. Which one is the best that will I use for the next video. So now I'm just running some of the tests, trying all different setting. Hoping that find the best setting for my future video. Alright guys, now the setting is single lens with auto setting. Let's see how it's look the video. So this setting is recommended by the camera itself. I don't know how it's look exactly with the weather now. The sun is sometime hiding, sometime coming out, because it's a lot of cloud. So guys, this is the fourth setting with single lens and manual setting. Oh, the sun is just gone. The cloud is exactly under the sun. We'll see how is this look.